Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gemini crypto trading dashboard, secure access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type gemini.com into the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the Gemini website. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password in the password field. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a code on your authentication device. Enter the code into the provided field on the login page. Once all fields are filled out correctly, click the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will gain access to your Gemini trading dashboard. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. After successfully logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. You are now ready to start trading on Gemini with secure access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.